So this is a video about how to make free compost, and the easiest way is to use leaves actually, because if you're using leaves you're going to make a leaf compost and you don't have to worry about all the nitrogen to carbon ratio. What I have done here is I've collected some leaves and I built this box out of pallet wood, and I just take it up with nails, and I buried it right here underneath the water, and so I can just open up the water and water everything so it's nice and moist, and then I just come here and just move everything just to aerate all the things that are in here. And this is very fresh. This is about 2 days old, and as you can see it already has started to decompose, and yeah, I believe that in 1 month's time we'll have some leaf compost. So that's it. Yeah, see you.